welcome back to my channel. As you probably know by now, this is Candy's man. Follow him on Instagram.
Hey! Please.
He's my husband, my dustbin. I call him my dustbin because he's my dustbin and my husband.
Everyone needs a dustbin.
So today we decided to do an awesome challenge. We actually bought these stuff like such a long time ago, but I was like on a diet and everything, and then we kept like postponing, so we decided let's just do it and get it over with. It's gonna be super fun, so we decided to do like a sour challenge.
So, look what the cat bag did.
So we actually went to the store called Candy.
This is extreme heat though.
Candylicious.
Yeah.
And we bought like, we asked them for the most sour like sweets and stuff, and we bought a few and we decided to try it and see how it is. Kev really loves sour stuff, so and this looks so interesting. We're going to do this one last, but let's not show them now. Let's like, okay, we're gonna arrange and then
Let's drop the bomb.
Ons het ons nie nog iets gekook nie.
Yes, dit in die
Ek het gekyk daar in die rakkie.
Ek het hierdie uit die rakkie uitgehaal.
Oh, okay. So I have to say I'm pretty nervous. Moet nou nog nie niks oopmaak nie, man.
I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it.
So the first one we're gonna start off with is Sour Patch. Now, Sour Patch makeup. My room is like hectic.
It's all makeup.
Try is the Sour Patch watermelon sour sweets. Now I know people love Sour Patch Kids or Sour Patch something like that. In America it's quite big. But yeah, this is sour then sweet. So quite excited. I like watermelon. Oh, it smells really yummy. Okay, cheers.
Should I chew it or?
You must suck it.
Oh. Nice watermelon.
I don't taste any sour.
No sour. I can fit that all back in my mouth.
The sweet is there, really like.
Chewy.
I can understand why people love it. It's really tasty.
But not sour.
I stuck in my teeth.
Yeah, it sits everywhere. Okay, so this one is a jelly bean, super sour, apparently. So the previous one wasn't sour. I hope this one knocks our socks off.
Kev wants us to say like 5 at a time, but I don't know. Also, let's just quickly see here at the back. They say 9 super sour flavors. Oh, so sour raspberry, sour apple, sour lemon lime, sour lemon, sour orange, sour cola.
You gonna take that much?
No. Which one are we gonna try first? The purple one.
Okay, what's the purple one though?
It's sour grape.
Do we chew this one?
Sour grape.
Do we chew it?
I guess so, yeah. It's got like a soury
like sweet, man.
taste. It's got like a zesty sort of feel to it. Let's try the lemon.
It's a nice flavor.
That's yum. You can taste that little. You can feel it here a little bit. Let's try lime. Oh.
They're just liming around.
I mean, this is not much of a sour challenge.
No.
It's so yum. Super sours. Why do they call it that? You know the one, you know the sweet Kevin is obsessed with is
Jelly babies.
but the 30s.
No, I like the jelly baby. The
The
30 is
jelly
not
baby.
that sour.
The sour jelly babies from Minot.
I don't know. It's the yellow pack.
But he loves those at the garage, like that's his favorite. And that for me, like that starts cutting into my tongue after the third one. It's pretty hectic. But this one is called Warheads. And it says extreme sour minis hard candy. You have black cherry, green apple, lemon, watermelon, and blue raspberry. They say, warning, eating multiple pieces within a short time period may cause a temporary irritation to sensitive tongues and mouths.
I hope it's sour. I hope this is sour.
And it says it's only for ages 4 and up. I'm sorry if my bra strap's irritating you. Deal with it. Yo, okay. These kind of look legit. Okay. But this one you must suck.
Suck it.
Because it's like a... Okay.
Mmm.
Shit.
Mmm.
Yeah! I can feel it pulling my...
This is nice. Now it's sweet again.
Mmm. Yo, that feels weird. It's like this burst of sourness and it becomes so tasty and sweet. Should we try another one?
But I'm not gonna chew it.
I don't have to. These are good. You know, it's so weird with sour sweets. Like, I wonder why.
You can actually feel it on your tongue already.
You can feel that. It's weird how a sour is almost just like the powder. Like, you never get a sour sweet that's like sour throughout.
Yeah.
It's weird. Okay.
Cheers.
Yo, that's really sour.
Yeah, I get you.
Okay, now that sweetness. Once you start tasting that sweetness, it's like, that's so satisfying. I don't know why.
It is actually. This is sour, but it doesn't last long. But I think if it lasted long, you'll probably break out in sweat. So this one, a lot of you guys might know. It's toxic waste. You can get it at all these sweet shops. You've seen it everywhere. And yeah, are we gonna take the same one or different?
I think so. Let's see the red one. They say, how long can you keep one in your mouth? 60 seconds is a full Toxie. It sounds like they're saying that this is sour throughout. We'll see. So 15 seconds, total woos. 30 seconds Crybaby, 45 seconds Toxie Wannabe, 60 seconds full Toxie head. So we need to do it for 60 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
It's hitting your palate then. Sure.
Oh, this is sour. I'm sorry, I obviously suck it.
It's starting to cool down now.
$20 seconds.
Full Toxie head. So from here you can keep it in your mouth until it dissolves.
7, 6, 5. What are we? We are full Toxie heads.
Woo!
You're not even pulling faces. You like love it.
I think if I had to chew another one,
lemon. Should we do lemon?
my tongue's gonna be anal.
I mean, these sweets are good, but I can feel my tongue is like dead. Okay.
I'm gonna get it now because my tongue is here. 1, 2, 3, cheers. It kicks in. Yeah. I'm sweating.
I can feel it too. I was just gonna say, ooh. Yeah, I can feel I'm literally breaking out of sweat.
I think 3 of these okies will be enough for your tongue.
Okay. What? I think it's like, you know what it feels like? You know when they give a kid like lemon I'm sure this is what it feels like because, yo, that was zesty.
I think if this thing had to be sour right through,
my tongue is so sore.
you won't be able to chow it if it went all the way. It's toxic. Sweet now.
Yo.
Then this is gonna burn us because now our tongues are already.
So this is also from Warheads. It's called Hot Heads. Now this is interesting because they say that it's first sour, then it becomes sweet, and then it becomes hot. So we kept it for last because I hope this is not like disappointing now, because
the thing is, this you'll have to keep in your mouth though, because heat only comes last.
okay, sizzling strawberry, atomic green apple, and fiery watermelon. So I'm guessing those are the 3 flavors. Oh, they're sour ones.
Whoa.
I'm gonna try 2 green ones because usually the green ones are
they smell
they
nice.
smell. Okay,
Cheers.
cheers.
Not sour.
I'm chewing mine now. Oh wait,
There's a bit of a bite.
it's like a chili. I don't know.
It's weird. And I brought. It tastes like chili. It even tastes like chili.
It's like apple and chili mixed. I don't know how I feel about that.
It's got a bite, but it's not heavy intense. Maybe if I eat like 4 at a time.
Is that? Yeah, I think then your mouth will like burn. I'm trying to compare it to something.
Should I try 4?
Like 1, 1, 1 or 4 at once.
4 at once.
I'm gonna do one more. I can feel my tongue's burning, eh? Cheers. I don't taste the sour though. This is watermelon.
Fiery watermelon. It is a bit hot, but it's not extreme.
But it's like, it's actually like a disgusting taste because you're tasting fruit and chili at the same time. It's very weird.
So it's got a bit of heat, but
it's more like, how can you say? The experience of the sweet is not nice, rather than it being like sour or hot, or you know. So I guess the winner out of all of them are definitely these ones. I don't think I'll be able to finish a whole pot of this, like a whole, what would you call this? It's not really a pot, but like a container, tank of toxic waste.
I can feel the bit of burning on my tongue now, but it's like, I don't know, it's not like serious, it's not like Tabasco. We can rather gooi Tabasco on your tongue if you want something hot, then instead of this, you know?
So we'll say this one is number 1, would you say this one is number 2, and then number 3 just because of the hotness of it, and then I'd say like these 2 are just yummy, hey?
Yeah.
These 2 are just like really yummy. So yeah, that's it for our little sour challenge. Let us know in the comment section down below if you guys want us to do any other challenges, like food challenges, eating challenges, stuff like that.
Or you know of super sour sweets that maybe top this, that will top this.
Let us know.
Yeah, I'll eat a handful if you give me proper sour.
Oh yeah, you'll eat a handful.
Yeah, I'll cry and sweat, but it's okay.
But this one, like, you could feel that sweat. It was so weird.
Even on this, when I chowed to 5, I can obviously feel the sweat coming, but it wasn't like excessive.
Yeah.
I think old school fireballs are hotter than that.
Yeah, you see. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.
You better stay
sour. Sweet. Okay. So until next time, stay
sour!
Sweet!